What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I got the OnePlus Nord and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and go through the initial setup. So in the outer box you can see there it's got the OnePlus logo at the bottom, and then you got the Nord imprinted on the side there, and on this side you got the OnePlus. Yeah, this one is the 8 gig RAM and 128 gig storage. Let's open it up. Okay, let's so once you took the top cover off, you presented with the phone away. So you're just gonna take the phone up. Let's see what else come inside the box. Here we have a welcome letter, then we have the plastic cover, plastic case, and we have OnePlus stickers there. A quick starter guide, safety information, then we have the SIM's eject pin on there, and that's on there. Then we have a USB-C to USB-A cable in red, and we have the WAP charger. I'm just gonna go quickly through the setup. There you go. The OnePlus Nord come with a 6.44-inch screen. It's a Full HD Plus, and with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, quite sharp. And this is the blue maple. So on the side we have the silent switch button, and then with the power, and at the bottom there we have the USB-C charging port, a speaker grill, and then the SIM card tray at the bottom, and then a microphone. On this side we have the volume up and down, and then on the top we have the microphone on the top. Else, and then it comes with a dual camera at the front. So we've got a 32 megapixel main camera and the 8 megapixel ultra wide, and at the back, just take this off. At the back we have a quad camera, and the OnePlus logo in the middle, and then the OnePlus written at the bottom. You can see there it has a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel depth and another 2 megapixel macro. The screen refresh rate, I support up to 90 Hz refresh rates in Full HD Plus. And then the calibration, you got neutral, advanced, there, which allow you to set the different option. Got the HDR, ultra short HDR aspect ratio. You can have a full screen 4:3. The video resolution, you can record from 1080p 30 frames per second, and we have 1080p 60. Then we got 4K 30 frames per second, and then 4K cinematic. And then the front camera, it can record up to 4K as well, the 60 frames per second. So as you can see there, it's running the Android 10 version, Oxygen OS 10.5.5, but this can be updated to Android 11. And then this one is the Snapdragon 765G, which support 5G. Okay, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for more video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.